Hi all, welcome back. So today is 28th November 2022, and today I have taken two intraday trades. One is in GBP INR and another one is Bharti Airtel. So you might have seen the thumbnail that I have booked the profit around just 300 rupees per day. So, but to get this 300 rupee profit, I have taken two intraday trades where in GBP INR I have taken the loss here. I mean, I have booked the 2,500 rupee loss here, and whereas in Bharti Airtel, I have taken another trade where I have booked the profit around 2,850. So combining both loss and profit here, so to final amount is 300 rupees. So here in this video, I will try to explain you about the logic or the strategy uh, on the reason why we have taken these two trades, so that it will be helpful for you. Okay, so for that, let me go to the Bharti Airtel chart first. Okay, so here I have opened the Bharti Airtel 5-minute time frame chart. Okay, and you can see I will draw the levels here so that you will be understanding. So this is Bharti Airtel 5-minute time frame chart, and I will draw the key support level here. One is this one. Okay, so I plotted that level as a key support here because in the past, what happened at that level only, it got rejected here, and also it got rejected here, and also here also, if you see, it got rejected and then it fell down again. They tried to go up above that level, and I also here also they tried to take the support and they went up to the high around 860. So today what happened? So that is a key level we understood because it gave a heavy support, and I mean it gave a heavy resistance when the price is below that level, and it gave a support when it is above that level. And what happened today is, so if I zoom here, you can understand it very clearly, right? This is 24th November day chart, I mean 5-minute time frame chart, and this is 25th November, and this is today's. So what we are seeing here is on 24th also there was a selling happened. Okay, during the first half of the day there was a selling happened, but they did not reach to that support level, and immediately they went to the upside and they reached to the day high. I mean, this is the day high, right? So this is the day high, and they went above that level. So they did not reach their support on that 24th day. And today, I mean, yesterday also, they took support somewhere above the key support level. Okay. If you see on 25th November, it fell down again and they took support at this level. They went up and they took, I mean, it fell down again. They took the support at the same level and it went up. But today, what happened? If you see, so let me draw that support very clearly so that it will be easily visible to you. So, so this is the support where it is taking from last 2 days. So on 24th November, it took support there, and 25th November, it took support at the same level. And today, what happened? Initial first 5-minute candle also, it fell to that support in that blue line. You can see, I will zoom it, you can understand it. So initial 5 minutes also, it went to that support and it went up. So it should have been utilized that support and buying if they want to go towards the previous day high. Okay, previous day high is almost here, that is around 860, right? So if the buyers want to take it Bharti Airtel to the high, to the upside direction, they should have utilized this support and this first 5-minute candle also. But unfortunately, it failed. Slowly, it started falling and it fell to the same support level again. So again, buyers tried to take it up, but they failed. So here also it fell down. They tried, but when it fell down and it closed below that support level, I took the a short position here. I mean, I sold the Bharti Airtel and I closed my target. I mean, I closed my position at this red line. That is a target for us because that is the key support, right? Which we are observing from the last few days. So that is the key support. Red line is the key support for us, and that's the reason we have kept that as the target for us. And we have sold here and we have bought here. So to show you in the, I mean, in the trade perspective, this is the short position where I have entered here, and my stop loss initially I kept it here, but slowly I dragged it to the just above that blue, last green line also, and target is this one, the red line which we have plotted. So this is the where we have taken the position here. So the logic here is, from last 2 days, buyers managed to make the price not to reach this key support level. Okay, this red line. They're right. They are trying manage. They're trying to not to reach the price to that support. So whenever the price is coming closer to it, they are bringing it up. Again here also they took the support. They made a new support here, but unfortunately, that support did not help the buyers to make the upward movement. So that's the reason when it fell down below that blue line and it closed below that. If you zoom here, I can show you. Okay. So this candle, that is 1235 candle, is the confirmation for us that buyers are no more interested to take the support at that level. And from here on, the sellers will be entering and they will be targeting the position, the key level, key support level. So this is what the trade which we have taken in the Bharti Airtel, and with that we have booked the profit around 2,850 rupees. Okay, so 1 minute. So with this Bharti Airtel, we have booked the profit around 2,850. And coming to the GBP INR trade, I will explain you why we have taken the loss here also. I will explain you. So for that, let me go to the GBP INR chart only so that it will be clearly visible to you. So this is the GBP INR December futures actually. So what I have seen here, basically what I observed here is, so in the daily time frame chart, what I have plotted the key level actually. So I will plot that level again. So what I observed is this is a key level. Okay, so I will zoom here so that you can understand. So why I plotted that level? Because this level you are seeing it very clearly, right? So GBP INR went to that level, it fell down, it went to that level, again it fell down, it went to that level, again it fell down from there. And now what is happening from last 2 3 days? Immediately from after 23rd November, there was a huge gap up opening, and immediately on 24th November, from 24th November, it was trading above that key resistance. Now it is become support actually. So above that key level. So on 24th November, it traded above that level, and 25th November also it traded above that level. So what I thought is, if there is a selling today, they would reach that level again, so that they will be retesting it level. I mean, they will be able to retest that level by reaching that level and taking the support again. So that's the reason I plotted that level, and I was assuming that it will fall to that level. Okay. So unfortunately, what happened today is, so this is the 5 minute time frame chart. Okay. So this is from 24th November price action, and this is 25th November, and this is 28th November, today's price action. So initially you are seeing, right? So initially this is the first 5 minute candle and it started falling down here. Okay, so what I assumed is, because of this heavy selling pressure, so there are possibilities that GBP INR may fall to that key level to retest the support. So that's the reason what I have done. I've shorted it actually. I have shorted, I mean, I've sold the GBP INR, and my target was just that support. And I kept my stop loss just above the, if I zoom here, you can understand. I kept my stop loss just above the resistance it was getting during the day. Means at 9:55, it went up to 98.64, right? So there is the small resistance which is happening there. And I kept my stop loss just above that level. And my target was the key support, I mean, key level actually. But unfortunately, what happened, even after getting the severe selling pressure also, buyers did not allow the GBP INR to reach that level. So from there, it started taking it towards the high. So that's the reason we have booked the stop loss. I mean, we have booked the loss here, and our stop loss got hit at 11:55 p.m. We got the position closed with the taking the loss here. So I hope the reason you understood, right? The key level which we have plotted here, we thought that it will be retested again. So it will be coming to that level again, but unfortunately that did not happen today. Because of that, we have booked the loss here. Okay. And coming to the other position, I was explaining about, I was telling about this position from last 3 days or 4 days, because we have sold the option here. We have sold the Bank Nifty December 42,700 call option on 23rd November, and we are carry forwarding that position from that day. So far it is trading at loss here, so minus 2,900. But still, we will be carry forwarding this position for a few more days until we get the profit. So I will explain you about this trade after closing this position. So for today, we can focus on these two trades only. I hope the explanation which we have given on the Bharti Airtel and the GBP will be helpful for you also. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.